Good morning. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, coming to you from Iowa this morning. I'm out here to do market to market with Iowa PBS. Looking forward to doing that taping today. Paul Yeager, I'll see you right around 2 o'clock. Overnight markets. D's corn higher again, 423, up 1 3/4 cent. We settled at 421.5. Novi beans unchanged at 1032, with about a 7 cent range overnight. D's wheat Chicago, about a nickel range overnight, finished it up 3/4 cent at 520 1/4. D's KC finished down a half cent, 505 3/4. So I think we're going to continue to try and fight out a bottom here. And in wheat, doesn't have a story. Its whole rally, if we can get one, is going to depend on corn. And what is going on in corn, right? Is it this case where maybe the funds are covering a little bit more? They're only short 110,000. They bought 35,000 last week. I can tell you this: if we take out 424 1/4, which was the high so far this week, that could get a little bit more buying behind it. I think the big resistance area is going to be, it's no secret, anybody with a pair of eyes can see, that there's a gap back there on July 3rd at 432 3/4. So can we get that next 15 cents, 12 cents? Hopefully we can. If I'm a producer, you better have a plan if we get there. That's all I can tell you, kids. Novi beans 1032, pretty actually quiet overnight. I guess the big news is the unemployment number came out about an hour ago. 22,000 jobs. They're expecting 75,000 jobs. What does that mean to me and you? It's pretty clear, at least the market's saying that there's a 100% chance that the Fed's going to cut rates in September. And then there's 2 more cuts after that, but for sure they're going to cut rates. The stock market's pretty muted. It's about up 20. The S&P's up 25. The Dow's up 20, trading at 45.7. The S&P's at 65, 65.40. The Nasdaq's trading right around 23.9, up 200. I got to think that's going to impact cattle trade today. We got to watch cattle. If you've got cattle in the pen, the next couple days can be very, very interesting. If we don't take out those contract highs in 370 for the SEP feeders, things can get kind of interesting. Any way you cut it, though, if you're long in the pen, I don't care if you're long fats feeders or if you're long lean hogs, these prices are all lean hogs are at contract highs. You've got cattle at all-time highs. Get after it. Get a hedge on. Stop trying to pick the top. We may correct, and if we do correct, you'll want your protection on, right? It's an old expression: get your umbrella when the skies are clear. Don't wait till it starts raining. Moving over real quick to crude oil. Crude oil is lower, right? It's trading right at 62. I'm going to call that June, July, August. I'm going to call that a 3-month low in crude oil. That's not what we want to see if we're long corn, to tell you the truth. Corn does a lot better with the ethanol if crude oil is higher. So it's a double-edged sword there. You may get a dip here in diesel prices with crude at 3-month lows. I'd watch that carefully. Today is going to be Friday. I'm a big believer in the Friday settlements are what matter most. Give me a call, 312-638-8868. This is Chris Robinson. Have a great day.